Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of advantage and disadvantage of bacteria. Before knowing about its advantage and disadvantage, we should have a quick review about bacteria. Bacteria is a tiny single-celled organism that's found everywhere in the soil, in water, in air, and even inside our body. They are so small that we need a microscope to see them. Bacteria are the unicellular organisms classified as prokaryotes, lacking a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organisms. Bacteria comes in the category of plants because they have a cell wall like plants have. But the cell wall of bacteria is different from that of plant cell. The cell wall of bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan. Bacteria shows both autotrophic as well as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They are cosmopolitan in distribution, that they are found in every type of habitat where life exists and where there is availability of organic matter. They are found in hot springs, under sides of icebergs, in deep ocean floors, in hottest and driest desert. In general, they are found everywhere where life exists. Bacteria can adapt themselves to the changing environment and can evolve through mechanisms like spontaneous mutations and lateral gene transfer. Since bacteria has advantage as well as disadvantage, first we will discuss about advantage of bacteria. The first advantage of bacteria is it helps in the nitrogen fixation. Our body is made up of more than 50% of nitrogen, but we cannot consume nitrogen directly from the atmosphere, so it needs to be fixed first. Some bacteria, like Rhizobium, Azobacter, are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants like peas and beans. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the ammonia and then convert it into nitrites and nitrates, which is consumed by plants. Then humans consume these plants and plant products. Second advantage of bacteria is it helps in the curd formation. Bacteria known as lactobacillus helps in the curd formation by fermenting the lactose present in milk into the lactic acid. It lowers the pH of milk and causes the proteins to coagulate with each other. Then third one is antibiotic preparation. Several bacteria like streptomycin are known to produce a large variety of antibiotics. First, what's antibiotics? Antibiotics are the medicines that kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. They fight the disease and protect us from life-threatening illness. Fourth advantage of bacteria is that they act as nature cleaners. Bacteria break down the dead organisms, animal waste, plant litter to recycle them and obtain nutrients from them. They decompose the dead and decaying organic matter into the simpler form. Then the simpler form is used by other plants and animals. Fifth one is digestion. There is a bacteria present in our gut that helps in the digestion of complex carbohydrates and certain dietary fiber which we cannot break down on our own. They also release some essential enzymes which are required to synthesize the vitamins like B1, B12 and B9. Now we will discuss about the disadvantage of bacteria. First disadvantage of bacteria is that it causes foul smell. By decomposition, many gases and other materials are released, due to which foul smell is caused. So bacteria causes foul smell during the decomposition of dead and decaying organic matter. Second is cause disease. While bacteria are useful for us, they are also harmful for us. Some bacteria can cause infections in our body, and if they enter in our body, they can cause damage to our tissues. Some of the infections that are caused by bacteria are cholera, tuberculosis, etc. The last disadvantage that we will be discussing today is that they cause food contamination. They contaminate the food. If the food is left uncovered, the bacteria contaminates the food. And if this contaminated food is consumed by humans, bacteria can cause poisoning by growing in our digestive tract. This was all about advantages and disadvantages of bacteria. Thank you.